Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning around the dent so tools grip and you can see edges clearly. Once done, heat the dent with a hair dryer for 1-2 minutes to expand metal slightly. Make sure to keep dryer moving. Next, try a plunger or suction cup centered on the mark and pull steadily. If the dent is shallow, suction often pops it out. If suction fails, prepare to use compressed air or access from inside panel before proceeding to force methods. You now combine heat and cold to force the dent back. Heat the dent again, then immediately spray inverted compressed air to rapidly cool and contract the metal. This can pull the dent outward. If that doesn't work, get interior access. Remove the fridge inner liner or back panel carefully to reach the reverse side. Using a wood block to protect the surface, tap gently with a rubber mallet from the inside to push the metal back toward its original shape, working from the outside edges, inward to avoid new high spots. You finish by refining contours and restoring finish. Once the dent is mostly out, use plastic trim tools to nudge edges and a light tapping technique for small high or low spots. Make sure to work with gradual pressure to avoid warping. Then clean the area and polish with a stainless-specific cleaner, wiping along the grain to blend repair. If a sharp crease or deep fold remains, don't force it. Stop and consider paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.